Okay guys, so for today, me and my sister are going to draw a puppy dog. How are we going to draw yours?
I'm gonna draw mine with cute puppy dog eyes.
Like those bubble eyes from anime? Like those ones from the TV shows?
Like those big puppy eyes, and then they have like
The shiny type thing?
Yeah.
That one?
That.
Okay, you do you.
Let's start with the eyes first.
You're going to start with the eyes? I'm going to try to do my head first.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I'm going to just make a big head in the middle of my paper. I don't know if they can see this, but right now it's just a big fat. I don't know if this is gonna work. Might have to make it shorter, make it actually look like a puppy
You don't have to make it look like a puppy dog.
I know, but I'm gonna try at least. Look as good as I can and make it look like a puppy dog. I don't want to have some piece of garbage that looks like some trash can. Oh, you're actually doing really good on yours.
For real life.
Actually, yeah. I'm not teasing. You're actually drawing really good. Yeah, I know I tease you a lot, but that's actually really good. Surprised you're already finished.
You tease me a lot.
I'm not lying. I'm gonna do the same eyes like you. Those bubbly ones.
That looks so cute. There's its mouth. Maybe for a little detail, do some little. Let's get to the collar.
Collar? I'm still doing my head right now, Juliet.
Still one.
See, I'm trying to draw one like this. How it's like looking down at, like with their snout. Like yours doesn't have a snout, yours is flat. I'm trying to draw a snout on mine. Doesn't look very good. I'm trying.
It kind of looks like a dinosaur most.
Dinosaur. Yours looks like a ball.
I haven't done the body yet.
Like yours looks like some little ball bouncing around right now. If you're gonna. I must have a good puppy.
Yes, I have.
I can't believe I'm still on my head and you're already doing the collar. How does that work? Please, actually look like. I think I'm just gonna start over and do your version. Thinking about doing this one version of a puppy dog where you get like all of its legs and all that, and it actually looks good, but that looks that works better for a cat, so I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, poking out.
See what I'm doing. I'm trying to draw ears right now, though.
Look.
Oh, you do have a tail. I see what you're doing.
You think this is a little leaf sticking out of it? Hiya!
What was the hiya for? That hiya for though?
If you want to, you can draw a 10.
10? What do you?
Tongue.
A tongue? Oh. Oh, a tongue. Oh. You said 10 or a tent.
Jonathan,
What?
yours looks like in the 1980s one dog.
1980s?
Yeah, that in the movies. I saw one of those. I watched one of those movies. It was in black and white,
Okay.
and I saw
Okay,
kind of like that
1980s.
face dog.
Okay, it's a 1980 dog apparently. I think my dog looks okay.
I think your dog looks good.
Good, but not perfect.
No, it looks great.
That you're right. Does it look great? Tell me it looks great. Said, tell me it looks great.
Hey, it looks good. Great.
There we go. I'm gonna draw my dog sitting down. Right now, it looks like it has the spinal cord that snaps all of a sudden.
Jonathan, my dog's sitting down. It's
There we go.
easy.
Yeah, you're doing it from the front view. You're doing the version that I was wanting to do, but it looks better on a cat. So I'm doing this one.
I want to do a little detail, so I did freckles. I'm doing the ground.
Wind marks make it like I can his tail real fast. See what mine looks like now? This is what I'm doing.
Oh, that's so
I don't
adorable.
know if you guys can see this.
I told you
This
it looks
is
like a
what
dinosaur.
I'm doing. It doesn't look like a dinosaur.
Well, when you do the head, not the
Yeah,
ears.
when I do the head maybe, but now it doesn't.
That's so much dog.
You are the weirdest sister.
I'm waiting for you to do the color parts. Because I did my ground stuff.
Go on ahead. It's gonna be a while for me.
You look so cute.
What, mine?
I wish it just came to life. Whatever you draw came to life. Woohoo! Like if you draw a cake. Woohoo!
What, are you gonna be like some wizard or something? I'm gonna draw a cake and a pizza, and I'm gonna draw everything, and it's gonna come to life.
Like a toy novel. You draw the horrible novel and it like yay.
See, you're so weird. Why am I doing this?
You said, and I want to say yes. Could I get to the coloring part?
Sure, what colors do you want?
Can I please have the yellow and the brown?
Yellow. Brown's in here. Did you get your own brown? No. I guess we're gonna have to use mine.
Thank you.
Make sure the brown, the pencil lead, it breaks easily. Like it'll come out of the thing. Be aware of that.
Finish with the yellow.
Pretty. Just got it.
No, because it's just a little tiny circle for the collar. See? My doggy's gonna be a brown doggy.
Brown one?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna make mine golden. Like a golden retriever.
Yeah, just like the two golden retrievers that we have.
See? This is what I'm doing.
Oh, so adorable. You're so good at drawing. Look at mine.
This looks good too. It just looks awkward right now because you haven't finished the coloring. Like having that smudge on its face. It's like, oh. How? I have a smudge on my face.
This is usually how I draw my dogs.
Usually.
Like
I never really picked a style to draw dogs. I just remembered this one, but I could never figure out how to draw it right. And then I just remembered.
could I please have the red color?
The red?
Yeah.
I think this is all red. Because there's a pinkish thing too.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Yeah.
I'm piggish, but I'm going.
We do be vibing.
I think I might do my ground for me.
I don't know if you guys can see this. Camera isn't that good, but
Oh,
this
no.
is my dog so far. It'll be easier to see once I outline it in black, but so far that's what I have.
Let's get more into action. Remember that song?
Nope.
It was like from the Dog Hotel.
No idea.
They were trying to make an old hotel into a good hotel.
Yeah, I'm new to this YouTube stuff, so I don't know if that's
Been
copyright.
YouTube for like 1 year.
No, I haven't.
Years.
Dad did all of that stuff.
Oh.
Now I'm learning myself, and I don't know if copyright and all that. No, don't sing songs, okay?
Let's get moving.
That's a song.
Why?
This is my dog, Julie. Do you like it?
Yeah.
No, not yet. Okay. Oh. Do you think I should start coloring? Actually, I should do grass. I'm gonna draw the bottom of mine, make it look like a grassy hill behind him.
Mine's like kind of like a street, but I'm trying to make it look like a ground.
There's your dog standing on the street?
No, it's supposed to
Is
be
it
a
a
ground.
homeless dog? Is it some sort of
No,
homeless one? Nope.
no, I don't like them.
Is that what's happening?
But why does it have a collar?
Any dog can have a collar. Okay, fine. Maybe it's not. I just realized I have to do my color too. Forgot about dog color. Now it has a collar. I'll just put random there.
That looks like white.
What?
That gold thing looks like white.
Because it's not colored yet. Obviously. You'd know that if you're smart. Like me. You got a big brain. You don't, you got a pigeon brain. Yours is small.
No, a pigeon has a big brain.
No, it doesn't. A pigeon's brain is the smallest brain. Actually,
no.
I think bugs have smaller brains.
Yeah, like
I don't
fly,
even know if a bug has
like
a brain.
Fly.
Honestly, I don't even know if a bug really considered a brain. Tell us down in the comments. Because I honestly have no idea if a bug's considered a brain. I think we might have to do a part 2, Juliet. It's getting close to the end. We can't do videos more than 15. It's getting close. So we might have to do a part 2. Does that sound okay?
Yeah. What colors is it? Can I please have the color green?
Green. Oh, this is the green.
I think grass is a good color for it, and I just go green. Yeah. Because I'm gonna make my dog be outside.
Copycat,
No, I just thought it was good.
Steven.
We only have 1 more minute.
Alright.
Oh. Fast, man.
Draw a pine tree in the background. Mom showed me how to draw pine trees like this. I like it.
Don't focus on time, just keep on coloring.
Yep.
I was just about to draw there.
Sorry. Okay, I think we should end it now. Are you ready?
No.
Okay, once we're finished with that grass, I think we should end it.
No, then I need my son.
Hmm?
And I need my stuff.